Hello everyone. In this video, we will use Power Query to combine two sheets or more than two sheets into a single sheet. We have this data in this one sheet and also in this sheet. We have these two sheets and we would like to data of these two sheets into a single sheet. Maybe you have more than two sheets, but I have these two sheets to data to combine the data. The process is the same. Watch video until the end, because if you don't watch at the end, maybe you face with errors, because I would like to show you whenever we reach to the end, to the point, then I will show you that point which is very necessary. So let's start. First of all, to use Power Query, we will convert our data to table. So to convert this to the table, press Ctrl T. After pressing Ctrl T, press OK, and also assign a name to your table. Okay, come here to the table design tab and here assign a name. This is, for example, February month. Let's move to another table and here press Ctrl T, convert this to the table, press OK, and assign a name January, for example. So after assigning names, now let's move to the data query, Power Query. So move to data tab. In the data tab, come here, get data from other sources and press blank query. After pressing blank query, now at the top of this formula bar, write equal to Excel workbook. After writing this function, just press enter, so it will load the tables. We have these two tables, Jan and February. So after loading the tables, if you would like to just load specific tables, so press this arrow key down from the name, okay, to the right side of this name, and filter your tables, which tables you want to load. So but I want to load all the tables, so now just press the icon which is at the right side of this content column. So just press this one, which columns you want to load. Okay, don't miss okay video until the end, because at the end I will show you something. So just we would like to load all these three columns and uncheck this. Okay, use original column name as prefix. Just uncheck this and press OK. So now we have our data. Okay, we have combined our data. So after combining the data, now here you can make changes like drag and the columns, and also deleting a columns or which are empty columns. So you can remove those things. Also you can remove this name column also, but I will leave everything as it is, and also we can rename it. So let's now close it. File, close and load. Okay, close and load. So after pressing that button, so it has been loaded to a new sheet, and here we have our data. This is our data. So we have combined our data, but here the problem is that whenever we would like to refresh this data, for example, right click and refresh it, so it will double the data. Look at the data has been doubled. So it's why it is recursion. It means that before we had Jan and February two tables, now it combined the query one tables also with that, because we have selected all the tables. So it is combining. If we refresh it, now we have 25 rows. If we refresh it again, so it will combine to 37 rows like this. Look at. So to just prevent this error, for that what we need to do, let's first of all delete this one. This error will not occur when you just load specific tables. It means not all the tables. For example, you have 5 tables, you load just 2 or 3 or 4 of them, then it will not occur this error. But whenever you are loading all the tables, so then this error will occur. So I will show you now the solution. Delete this one, and also let's delete this. So let's move back to the data, get data from other sources, blank query. Right here, equal to Excel workbook, and press enter. So just press enter. So after loading the data, now when you are loading all the tables, like for example Jan and February, both of them, so for that what we need to do, let's press this filter icon. After pressing the filter icon, just come here and does not equal. Okay, does not equal. Now here does not equal with what? With the name of your query. For example, the query name is query 1. If you rename this, just enter that name. Right now the query name is query 1. So I will insert query 1. Query 1. Press OK. and now load it. All columns, press OK. Oh, okay, I didn't. Just close and load. Yeah, table, new sheet, press OK. So right now we have our data. Let's refresh it now. What happened? Refresh it, nothing happened. Okay, look at, so nothing happened like this. So it was all about how to compile data from more than 1 to 3 sheets using Power Query in MS Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.